How to fix Snapchat device ban. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Snapchat device ban. So if one day suddenly your Snapchat has banned you and your device, this is how you fix it. So the first thing that you might want to do is just open up your Snapchat and try to log in. If that does not work, they might have banned your device. So to fix that, what you'll have to do is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, just head over to general and then iPhone storage. After you're on your iPhone storage, try to offload this app and reinstall it. After doing that, try to log back in. If that does not work, try to update your Snapchat. Head over to your app store, search for Snapchat, and if you see an update available, tap on the update button to update the app. After doing that, your problem should get fixed, and if it does not get fixed, you might have to reset your entire phone. Erase everything or just reset the settings. So head over to your settings again and come back to general. After you're on general, scroll down. There you should see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and tap on reset. Now reset all of your settings, and after doing that, your problem should get fixed. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.